are they? Huh? Where am I? Where's the nether warts?
Come on, don't be impatient. I'm gonna do something. Wait, what the? Ah! I got a mark on my phone.
I think he's saying get ready.
Yes, I got it.
Let's go!
Blue, here we come!
Yeah!
Oh, that's bro.
What's up, guys?
Yay! How you
Give you a
doing?
hug.
I'm kinda cute. Have you got the nether warts?
Yeah. I got the nether warts.
Alright, good job.
How about we go home?
Yeah,
Let's go, guys.
Die.
You're staring with me.
Huh?
What?
Why are they taking so long?
Go, bro. I'm not doing
Oh,
it.
okay. Hi, Blue. Oh, where's Red?
Don't worry about him. I'm gonna show you something.
Maybe I should check them.
Once again, they're never coming back. Getting bored. Come on, Pro Chef, let's go. Yeah, Bill. Whoa. Where even are they?
So orange.
You. Hi. I know you're not blue. Yeah. Show yourself. Oh. No. Wait, where did she go? No, I lost hope. What the hell are you looking at?
Okay.
Why are you sniffing like... Oh. So what are you looking at? Oh, go there? Okay. What the hell is you doing, Llama? Oh. What are you talking about? Wait, you're yellow? This? Come on, give me a hug. Wait. Stand back. Pork chop, are you sure that this is yellow? Follow me. I'm gonna test if you're actually yellow. Do something with redstone. Huh? Whoa. What? Huh? Wow. I guess you really are yellow. Take this. Oh, well, get off me. Instead. Up. I'm gonna kill. What? Why does the fish jump? Hero? Oh, are you blue? Okay, I'm done. Are you green? Red? Oh! Guys, if I'm red! Scoopity dum pop. Let's go! Hop. Oh, there's a zombie. You're gonna die, you bastard! You're green? This? Oh, sorry. Yay. A villager that is a witch. We're finding her because she's a bit green. You what the? Why did your voice sound like that? Hey, Red, get him! Yeah, ba. Oh, what the? Ew. No, let Piggy go.
Let him down. No! No! Yellow ain't do anything! No! Poor job.
How can I prove that you're green? Aha, note blocks. Use this. Oh, that's a nice one. Yay, green! Let's go. We got you now. Have you seen Rich? Oh, yay! Thank you, green. Okay, scoop it up. Oh. Well, what the? Where am I? Where are they? Where am I? Oh, Edwards! Yay! No, where did they go? Okay, I guess. Oh, Edwards! Yay! No, where did they go? Okay, I guess. I'm gonna get you this time. No, where did they go? Am I a robot now? Why do I feel like my old self? I'm gonna get you this time. Another one? I can't actually think of line for the witch. Yeah, our destination. Okay. We need to find Blue. Me. Oh, you witch! You're a. What? No, red. I'm actually starving. No. Huh? You fucking suckers! Yeah, don't be afraid. Yeah. Why are you hitting me? Yeah, boom, boom. Oh, take that. No. Here's Johnny. Oh, I'm back. I'm just gonna go there. You're alone against the wall. What comes around and comes around. You get the reference? Get the Thanks, kids. Boom. I can't see you. Thanks. Which one of you is yellow? What? It's the witch. It's the witch. It's the witch. It's difficult. Get pork chop. I'm here. Get back. Don't you dare do that to my friends. Oh no, I'm out of potions. No! There's no window. No! My wheel has to die. I'll take that, pig.
Oh no.
Is that her? I feel a presence.
Yes!
Hello?
I'm
glad you didn't remember that.
Guys, I made something. Look at this. Come on.
Okay.
Look at this. Guys. You're so... but... It's super awesome and epic and you will love it. Come on.
I guess I go home.
I knew something was up.
What the? So, can we go?
No, Red. It's too dangerous.
Why?
Let's go home. Go.
I want to go
What
to
the
the party
purple?
pooper. I feel bad for purple.
Let's just follow orange. Guys. Guys, look. Let's just go to purple. Agreed. Come on.
Okay.
Orange, you coming? No. Not fine. That's the spirit. Come on. You're purple. Orange was just
I'm not catching a disease on purpose, unless it's elephantitis and it's on my penis. According to WebMD, elephantitis embiggens the area with which it is infected.